Greetings everyone, I've returned to Disneyland, wait for it, at night, and I'm so excited to experience the park with you. Let's get to it. Yes, I've returned to Disneyland. I love it here at night. I'm gonna try not to say that too much in this vlog, but I probably will say it a lot. And I'm going to start off with one of my low-key favorites, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, because at night it just sings. There's something about it. It just you can't really tell where you're going normally on that attraction, but in the darkness, even more so, it just comes alive. I love it. But let's get to it. Let's just. Why am I just standing here talking about it? Let's go. I just love the vibes here at night. Oh, it's just so cozy. I hope that comes through on camera. Look at that finale right there. Oh my goodness. It's so weird to me because, again, for a lot of people who might know, I grew up going to Walt Disney World, so seeing Big Thunder mirrored like this always throws me a little bit, but this has kind of become my Big Thunder. And I'm like, oh, I just noticed there's dinosaur eggs over there. I've never noticed that before. Oh my gosh. See? I'm always still picking up on new things. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, we gotta wait for the train to come down. It'll be great. Oh, that one's over there. This one's coming around. Oh, look at them. They're having so much fun. See? So much fun. A stunning development. Looks like the work lights are on. Oh my goodness. And at night really illuminates things. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Well, I don't know. See what happens. See if they purge the queue line. Well, they're purging the queue line. We had to go back out the way we came. Oh well, that's okay. When life gives you lemons, you go on Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh my goodness. Oh, reliable. I just want to jump into the bromine. Look at these lovely lanterns. They come through a little brighter on the actual camera than they do in real life. They're a little more cozy and warm. But still, I like the new trees. I miss the old ones, but I like these ones a lot. I'm not exactly sure what chemicals are released in my brain when I get into this portion of the queue, but it's just like, oh my goodness. I love it. I love it so much. Even though it is a rather busy night, there's a ghost boat. Ghost boat, baby. Oh my goodness. I heard someone back at Big Thunder, when we were leaving, say that she felt it was 3 times busier tonight than it was last week at the same time. I don't know why that would be, but this boat begs to differ. Oh. Ah yes, the Blue Bayou at night. It's always at night, I suppose. Let's see if we can get anybody to wave. Come on, just one. All I need is one. The trick is you have to have somebody looking at you, and then also someone who's going to wave at you. But we'll see. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Waving intensifies, waving intensifies. Come on, that'll be great. Hello, everybody. Shooting stars above us. Oh, we got some people. That's so great. Hello. Nailed it. Once again, in my favorite spot, maybe in all of Disneyland. Just the size, the lighting, the tableau, you know. Look at all this stuff. It's just so good, and I love it so much. He's still doing it. He's just so good. Every time I come here, he's still working away. Don't do it, Pooch. Don't do it. It's so strange for how busy it is. It's so quiet back here in New Orleans Square, like in the back alleys and streets. I really like it. I would love to ride Haunted Mansion Holiday right now, but the wait time is a posted wait of 90 minutes. Ooh, we're gonna have to cycle back to this one. Well, I was thinking about hopping on Splash Mountain, but it looks like it's down right now due to technical difficulties. Oh my goodness, what is happening down here? The mountains are failing. I don't know what's happening. Oh no, this stuff happens though in the parks, so it's one of my best pieces of advice. If you're ever here, Just don't be too married to something, because you're gonna have to adapt and overcome. I don't just say that, you really will, often. So just keep that in mind when you're coming here. Might be kind of hard to tell, but they're actually evacuating them from the top of Chickapin Hill. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm glad I didn't wait. Imagine you got all the way up there and they're like, nope, oh, I'd love to get evacuated off Splash Mountain. Or any ride for that matter, to be honest. I've had it happen with Mr. Toad. I have had that happen. Oh, that was kind of cool to see. I decided to hop aboard the rails to get on over to Tomorrowland. Oh yes, because I have something in mind, and this thing shouldn't be down. It really shouldn't, and you'll see why soon. I really do like the train. It's fantastic. My favorite portion is the Primeval World, but at night, Rivers of America, even if you can't see too much, oh, peaceful. It's really nice. You'll see soon. Although this is right behind the Haunted Mansion, this actually looks a little bit more like Pirates of the Caribbean after the first drop. Right? Like with the colorful caves and stuff. Roots? I don't know. Now let's see. Zippity-doo-dah. Not going right now. Oh, it's going. They got back up and running? I don't know. I don't think the music's not running though. Ah, it's so nice. With an almost full moon in the background. Just so pretty. I see the light in front of the train up there too. And the Columbia is still sailing around. Oh, that's great. I don't know if they're just setting up for the show. They might very well be. I think. I don't know. I can't tell.
Traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days.
I'm not sure.
Rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach.
There's not a lot of people on there though. Probably hard to see. Pretty cool though. That's right, because this isn't an attraction I came all the way to Tomorrowland for. Well, it did attract me, but it's that time of year again for the Blood Orange Slush, baby. Oh my goodness. I love this thing so much, and we're gonna talk about why. First off, just look at it. Look at it, how creepy and weird is this? It also has the glow cube, which I should have told them I didn't need because I have so many of them at home. Mostly because of this drink. First Blood Orange Slush of the season. Oh, baby. That's good. So it's, you know, orange, blood orange syrup and slush, and it's sweet, but it's tart, and it's just so good. It's the perfect little creepy Halloween slush, you know? Delicious. Finally get to go over, hopefully on a mountain. Hopefully it's this one. Please, space, don't let me down. As I said on one of the previous vlogs, more recently here, I'm trying my best to fall in love with this version of Space Mountain. It is not a bad attraction. Not by a long stretch, but I don't know. It's just different. I'm not as crazy about the queue, even though this does look pretty cool at night. It just does not pull me in as the one in Florida has. Then again, maybe there'd be one in another park that I love more. I doubt it, but it's possible. In a stunning twist, I heard something come on over the announcements for Space Mountain, and it sounded like maybe they were down, so I got out of line, and then I looked back, and I was like, nope. It's just that the weight went up, and I couldn't hear what else they were saying. So, yeah, no mountains in this one, which is really weird, because I'm usually quite the mountain man. But that's okay, because it was still a beautiful night. And you guys came along with me, and I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. It's so nice to have you come along with me. Even when things go wrong in the park here, it's still right because you're here, and I'm here, and we're hanging out, and it's so good. And plus, pirates. Even if I only rode one attraction in a day, and it was pirates, I'd probably still be happy, you know? And the Blood Orange Slush, and the train, it's a pretty good night. Pretty good night, all things considered. Either way, thank you so much for hanging out today. Thank you for all the likes and the comments. That means the world to me. And I appreciate you, yes, you watching this right now. I don't know what's going on in your life right now, but hopefully it's a good thing. If so, we can celebrate together. If not, I hope this vlog made it a little bit of an easier day for you. Either way, a huge thank you to our patrons on top of all this. Lovely people who are supporting me over there financially. You don't have to do any of those things, but just know that I appreciate it a ton, so much. And until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye. Little bonus bit for everybody. I don't do this as much as I should, but here's a little good night to Mr. Walt Disney. Yes, lights on means the boss is in. Boss is always in. Thank you, Walt. Appreciate you for all that you've done and everyone else who helped him along the way. Good night, everybody.